In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this lace shawl. I used a skein of 100 grams of this yarn. It is a fingering yarn and I used a 3.5mm crochet hook and scissors. This pattern starts from the bottom part, from the point of the shawl, and you have to increase on both sides to get the triangle shape. The sizes of my shawl are 60 centimeters from the point from the bottom part to the top part, and the width of the shawl is 1 meter and 20 centimeters. Let's go with a step by step. You have to start with a chain 3. Then make another chain 5, and make 1 double crochet on the chain 1. Now start with peaks. It's like a picot, but it's not exactly the same. Make a chain 4 and 1 single crochet in the first chain. Then start with a chain 5. We have to make a picot on the third chain on the chain 5 space of the previous row. We have to make in the third chain a single crochet, chain 3 and 1 single crochet again in the same space to make like this peak, like this picot. Chain 5 again, and 1 double crochet on the first chain. Then this is what we have to repeat to the end of the row. Start with 1 picot, make a chain 4 and 1 single crochet on the first chain, then chain 5 and make 1 picot on the third chain of the chain 5 of the previous row. One picot, 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 1 single crochet. Now again a chain 5 and 1 picot on the next chain 5 on the third chain from the of the chain 5. Make a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and again chain 5 and make 1 double crochet on the first picot of the previous row. Then start again with a picot, make a chain 4 In this case, make 1 single crochet on the chain 1 and then start with chain 5, 1 picot on the 3rd chain of the chain 5 of the previous row, make a picot, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 5 again, another picot, chain 5 again, another picot, and finish with chain 5 and 1 double crochet on the 1st picot of the previous row. And start making the same, 1 picot, chain 4 and 1 single crochet on the 1st chain, and chain 5, one picot on the chain 5 of the previous row on the 3rd chain, chain 5 again, one picot on the chain 5 on the 3rd chain, and this is what you have to repeat to arrive at the end. Once you are at the end, once you made the last picot on the chain 5, you have to make chain 5 again and 1 double crochet on the 1st picot of the previous row. This is what you have to repeat. Here you can see that the shawl is increasing. This is an elastic stitch, so you will have to block it. You have to continue making the same to increase. Start with the picot, chain 5, make the picot on the chain 5 on the 3rd chain of the chain 5 of the previous row, chain 5 again, make another picot, chain 5 again, another picot, make always chain 5 between the picot and finish a picot, chain 5 and 1 double crochet on the last picot. This is what you have to repeat to have the size of the shawl that you need. Once you have the size of the shawl, you only have to block it. You can use those pins, or you can use needles. And you only have to wet with water, with water spray, or with an iron. You have to wet the fabric and let it dry with in a flat surface with the foam. The foam is the best to place the pins. And then let it dry, and you will have the shape of the shawl that you need, and you finished your shawl.